3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Itssupermakoii again, teacher Paolo calling the 51 Talk, and today's video I'm gonna be teaching you how to make your own intro video for small YouTubers like me. We need to download P2, Motion Portrait, and PixArt. First go to P2, and then Crazy X Face. Click that one. I used childhood effect. Click that childhood. And then go down below, and the famous handsome boy there, that's what I use. You have to scan your face, okay? On a correct angle. Oh, sorry for that face. Alright, and then there you go. So you can also choose a younger one, baby look if you want to, or you can, if you are a female, you can choose the female one. So for this video, let's try to choose another one, and we are going to challenge ourselves on what we can do. Let's try to oh no, I don't like this one. How about this? Oh, cute. This one. Oh, perfect. So I like this one. Let's try to use this cartoon. Just save it. Let's move on to PixArt. So in PixArt, we have to remove the background. Just click the plus sign and click the picture that you have saved from P2. And then click the tools. And then oh, you have to click this one, and it will automatically choose yourself. Okay, and then save, and then no more background. And for the next step is we will put a background color, and the color will be green. It is for our green screen. There. So, alright, so we are done with our picture, and now we are ready to make it move. Let's move on to motion portrait. Don't forget to save it. Save to photos. Oh no, advertisements. Okay, motion portrait. And then, oh, yes. The basic tool here is you need your face to be straight, looking towards your camera, so that no more problems. So you have to check your eyes, the angle of your eyes, and then the angle of your mouth. Let's try it, okay? And then let's try to play. Oh no, my brows are also moving. So you have to click this little guy here to turn off the talkback so that your mouth will not move. I mean, your mouth will not open. It just moves. Okay, let's try. Oh, perfect. Okay, I like this one. Okay, perfect. Alright, so you have to record this video, and then, oh, the countdown starts, and then stop. There. So you have to save this video, save as video, for the iOS users, or the iPhone users. I don't know for the Android users. Maybe you can try. I also drew myself as a cartoon and made this one, but I like the other one. I don't like this one so much. So I used this picture as a base. I was in Starbucks here, so I used that picture and drew myself, and then tried to move it. Alright, so next step is to save it and send it to Gmail so that the quality will remain. You have to send the video, okay? Not the picture, the video. So download the video. After downloading it is, let's try to use our movie editing app, software. Alright, I use Filmora because it's user-friendly, and I like it. So click for the video, and then there you go. So you have to double click it and click advanced, click effect and chroma key, and then click the color. There you go, intensify it, and then let's try. Okay, perfect. Let's put background color. Basically here, I'm just editing it and how to position this one and how to make this as an intro video. The next step is to search for the green screen effect, the scribble green screen transition, just like what I used. We will use this one. Okay, so you have to download this one. And then add again the green screen effect, remove the color green, make it transparent. Here. Okay, yes. So I'm only gonna be using the second screen effect. Okay, that one, okay. So let's cut that down and then cut the other one. Alright, cut. Alright, so everything's okay. Let's now proceed to there. Right. So here you just need to be creative. Whatever comes into your mind, just put it onto your video. Just like what I did on my intro video. Oh, grow and shrink. No, I don't like it. Oh, it's cool, it's cool. Okay. And the next one is to put the background music. You have to use a non-copyrighted music in order to avoid a copyright strike. Yes, it's just like a light switch effect on the yellow background. It's just it's just like switching. Right. And then the next step is we will put an element for our subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell icons. Okay, here's the fun part. Advertising your own channel. Okay. The entrance effects. Resize it. And put it to wherever position you want to. And ring the bell ring. Okay. Oh, it's awkward. Let's put the bell on the left side. And then the like button on the left side. Okay, that's perfect. Alright. Now it's symmetrical. Oh, cool. But I don't like the effect. Let's try to use another entrance effect. Resize it again. As well as the bell. There you go. Let's try. Oh, perfect. Good. Let's just put some sound effects here. Okay, this one. The one. Oh, I like this. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's just move this one a little bit so that the sound effects can be put in a good place. Alright. Oh, perfect. Good, 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 good. Now let's try to put some elements. I like this one. Okay, I'm just putting an element here. Okay. There. Position it to the right icon.
Three, two, one.
Oh, wow, good. Okay, next step is to put the name of my channel, which is Itssupermakoii. So we have to put... Oh, first is a sound effect. I'm looking for the water effect. Oh, there. Forgot the water effect. Okay, there. Let's make it bigger. Resize it. Not enough. Let's make it a little bit bigger. A little bit higher. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Maybe a little bit higher. Okay. Ah, perfect. Okay. And then the transition effects. I mean the icons. Let's try to okay. And the sound effect as my glasses enters. Okay. Good. The splash water effect. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Good, good. Yeah, so far so good. Let's cut the music. It's just that part. Basically, I'm putting a text here. So let's put text here. Let's use that text, and we will edit that text. I don't know what lorem ipsum means, but let's try to put. Use the black, the Arial black. Change the color black. My theme color for my channel is yellow and black, of course. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Another. Okay, I'm copying the text and move it. Makoi. Right, good. There. Let's change the color to yellow. Okay. Yes. Let's put an object there. Move back so that the word Makoi can be seen. Change the object to black. Okay, there. And the effect for the text, it's like a keyboard typing effect. Also this one. There. Let's put the sound effects on the letters. Let's check. Okay. Okay, good, good, good.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
So guys, you just need to be creative. I'm not forcing you to copy mine. To copy is okay, but I think you have a better idea than my idea, right? So I'm challenging you to make your own intro video now, and please show it to me, right? Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And of course, have a great day. Thank you so much, and see you next time.
3, 2, 1.